Okay, let's start. So number one, you have given a folder named ICT chapter 12, which is this folder with 9 items inside. So let's check. So 9 items. Please follow the steps below. Open Dreamweaver and create a new HTML web page. So open new Dreamweaver and create new HTML web page. Name it as HTML tutorial.html. So create file, save as in the same directory. So we need to go back here and save it as HTML tutorial.html directory. Done. Insert a table with 3 columns and 7 rows. So go to the design tab, not live but design. Insert table, 7 rows, 3 columns. Don't set anything here. Do not set anything here. Okay, done. So Control plus to zoom in. Merge the table cell according to the image below. Label each cell as shown in the image. So A, B, C, and the last 3 column, right click, table, merge cell, and name it as S. Okay, done. Always use design tab. Make sure you are using design tab and don't drag the border. Okay, next, set the web page title to Dreamweaver text. So right click, page properties, HTML. No, it's not here. Properties. Okay, the properties is here. So we go back to HTML. Cannot set head, body, document title. So Dreamweaver test 01. Enter. Let's check the code. Yeah, the title is set here. Okay, it's correct. Next. At the top of the page, add the text My Answers. So My Answers. Format it as heading 1, so highlight them. Right click, page format, and choose your heading 1. Okay. Use inline style to center the text. So you go to CSS here. So center the text. Okay, done. So Control minus to zoom out, so you can see the screen here. Text align center. Okay, here is HTML, here is CSS. Okay, done. Okay. In the table cells, enter the following text and set all of them at heading 2. So Control plus again. So just insert the text. A as original image. B, rotate. C, remove space. G, flip horizontally. H, reduce to 8-bit depth. I, resize image. M, remove workspace, bottom space. and change brightness and contrast. compress the file. Okay, then Control minus to zoom out again. Highlight this by click Control and then press in the Control and then select one by one. Then table set to heading 2. Okay, so it will set to H2 each of these. Okay, done. Okay, in cell S, type page created by. So in cell S, page created by your name, centered number, Wesley's entered number is MY961, and student ID, your 6-digit student ID. Okay, so highlight them, right click, format to heading 3. Done. Okay, insert appropriate image from the ICT 12 folder into the following cell D already, so you just insert one by one. Okay, click the image here and select. So just from original. Okay, then we insert one by one. Let's see whether we can insert from here. Okay, E and then click image. Yes, we can insert from here. So F is, so you just from A, insert from A until H. So B. Okay, when you insert you will see this. Okay, the width and height. Try to delete the width and height. You either can delete from the code or you can just delete from here. Okay, so delete the width and height. The next one also delete the width and height. Okay, and so J, image is C, now is D. So delete the width and height. Okay, K, image A, B, C, D, and L, image A, B, C, D, E. Okay, done. E, A, B, C, D, E, F. Delete the width and height. Then Q, G, delete the width and height. And the last one R, image, the last image, delete the width and height. Okay, so you don't set any width and height here. Set the image D to 100 pixel height, maintain aspect ratio. D is actually this one. Okay, the original is D. So set the height to 100. Okay, that's it. For other images, use internal CSS to make them fit the table cell with his aspect ratio. So you just click on it and then can I set the CSS here?
Already?
No. So we need to do it manually. So here,
what is the date?
style, image, width. Okay, so zoom in again. Okay, done. Okay,
Laptop.
ensure alternate text is displayed, any image is missing, so you need to insert one by one.
Ini. What
So the alternate text for the first picture is original.
Okay, easy lah. Cheap lah.
The second is rotate
lupa sama sudah cukup. Lupa sama sudah cukup.
Sudah cukup.
Lupa boleh masuk.
Hey, how?
I will
Kereta.
just use the word
Still cannot
for.
decide. Still belum.
Next is
Decide.
flip,
It's not me. My daughter.
and then the
Yeah.
next
So what is
one
the decision?
Girl, they must choose the
Reduce.
small sporty. They choose a Yaris. Now the
Oh, Yaris.
now the
I'm recording. Sorry. And then next one, resize, remove bottom, so crop again. This one is change the exposure. This one, the last one is compress. Okay, done. Okay. Using external CSS file. So now we finish here, save, and we create file, new, and external CSS. Create. Okay. Save it as external style.css. Save as.
Jadi what hati lah?
external.css. Save. Then we go back here, we close it, and we go to CSS here, attach a file. So link it this. Always use link, don't use the word import. Again, always use link. Okay, done. So once you're done, you will see the CSS will be inside this tab. So the source file and the CSS. So now you can do this. Okay, apply the following stuff. External, so table. External border, so take the border. Do px. Red color, so hashtag ff0000 and double. Okay, done. Internal border is KD. Okay, internal border 1 pixel. 1 pixel. Blue, so hashtag 0000ff RGB. Then the last one is doctor. Okay, done. Set, if you do not know the value of the code, you can just put hashtag. Okay, color picker, and then you choose the red color. Okay, so you will get FF0004. So you can change here and there. Okay, so done. So then you will still get the same thing, but they will use capital. CSS is not case sensitive, so it is okay if you put uppercase or lowercase, it doesn't matter. Okay, set the table width to 80%. So set width for 80%. Okay, align the table to center, so margin left auto, margin right auto. Okay, done. Set the background color, just up and down arrow and then press enter. Set the background color of the table to green, red, blue. So set the background. So hashtag, always use RGB. So R is E5, G is E8, B is AE. Okay, done. Next.
Yes.
one. Font size, so font size, okay, 24 pixel. In sans serif, so sans serif font family. Sans serif means Arial. Okay, text color is so color RGB 03, G is 33, and B is 00. Okay. So H2 font size, so I just copy here. Font size is 18. Serif use double quote and then add in Times New Roman. Okay, so color is exactly the same. So since these two color is the same, I will take it out. H1, H2. Okay, and delete it. So to make the website more efficient, then I do H3. So H3 should be the same thing. So I just H3 14 in cursive. So just put cursive. And text color is the same. So H3 same color. So put H3 here. Okay, so done. Web page. Okay, this one delete. Okay, body. Set the background color. Background color. Hashtag. Red 03, green 33, and blue 00. Okay, done. Now, save. So your web page will look something like this. Next, hyperlink your name. So you go to your name here. Okay, under the properties window. Okay, link your email address. So my email address is mail to your ms.edu.my bracket subject line. So subject equal I know Dreamweaver. So just paste I know.
I think for Nissan, I think the luxury will be. For Toyota, it's Lexus. For Nissan, I think
So you will have your code here. Okay, that's it. Thank you.